Need a new roll of film or want to switch from hot peel to cold peel? Here's how. When your F-24 gets installed, the Xante tech will set the film holders in the proper spots, so you only need to loosen one of them to change the roll. After turning the knob to loosen one of them, slide it to the side and pull the old roll off of the static holder. Put the new roll on the static holder, ensuring that it will roll over rather than under, then slide the loosened holder into place and tighten it back up. Shift the lever to lift the rollers. Then, feed the film up onto the machine. Lower the rollers back down using the lever to hold the film in place. Press and hold the back button to feed a good amount of film into the printer. Turn on the vacuum on the oven roller by pressing the button on the panel, as well as the suction and power buttons for the oven. Then, put the film onto the vacuum roller. Continue feeding using the back button until your film reaches the silver roller bar in the front of the printer. Wrap the film behind the bar, then feed it over the green bar at the bottom. Clamp it down onto the green roller by shifting the clamp roller above it back, then down onto the film. And with that, you're all set to get rolling with your F-24.